What the buck is up? Hope we're having a buck and outrageous day. So today, I'm fishing as Michael Jackson. So you can see it right now, I just made it down to the shoreline and I'm dressed up for the attire. Anyways, take Michael Jackson fishing for the first time and we are gonna find out if Michael can catch a fish. Alright, let's go do this. Alright, so there you go, 3/4 ounce jig. Like I said, I don't like any color jig at all. I just like a lead jig. You make my jigs, don't paint them. Just give me lead. But I got that Goby on again. Goby has been, I got my Michael Jackson glove on so you can see the red trimming there. Look like a leprechaun a little bit, but Michael is gonna catch a fish. Let's do this. Awesome. Beautiful.
Hey, you guys are looking good, man. Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you. That was some cool singing skills. Of course.
Nice hair.
You already know who I am.
It took me about 2 seconds. I'm like, who's this guy?
yeah, like you remember. Oh, sorry.
Anything biting?
No, I just got here right now. So.
Okay, I don't need it.
Yeah, you already know. You already know. Thank you, brother. That's what I said. I don't need it. You already know.
Yeah, I've got my card.
Already? Yes! There you go. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna get the net. Michael's brother's got a fish on. Holy smokes.
You asshole!
Oh!
You asshole!
Oh! Yep, fall walleye here. Oh, it's a nice one.
Use my baby's dead. Firecracker! I'm telling you! I'm telling you!
Oh, yes! Oh! There you go.
Nice. You want to chuck it on the stringer for
Yep. There you go. Want to take a pose with it? Yep.
Ah, they're here!
So there you guys go. Michael Jackson's brother got a walleye. This is going to be a nice chunky one. Probably about a nice 3-pounder there. Nice and crisp like this. Whoa! Whoa! Michael Jackson half everywhere. Nice, T. Onto the stringer. You got it, Eric. Oh. No problem. Ah! I'm gonna drop the jig right on it.
Yeah. Look at that.
Damn, this guy's got some good skills. There you guys go. Make sure you clean the river. You guys just seen how that was done right there. Yeah? Yeah, Michael's got him. Michael's got him.
That's a little guy.
Oh, hey man, walleye's a walleye.
Oh, yeah.
A walleye's a walleye. Congratulations, Scott. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Took a little bit, but...
Yeah. First cast, baby. Oh. Jump in it.
Woohoo.
That's a good eater.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'll keep going back.
Yeah, you're gonna let it go? Yeah. Good for you. Good for you.
Oh, it's your way, eh?
Yeah, you can jig it away. Watch you catch a fish with it too. Oh yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Michael.
Welcome back to another episode of Why Not?
Well, Michael Jackson.
I
I got a Michael Jackson in my fish.
Oh.
Good little hook set through the mouth.
Whoa, that's a nice fish.
Oh, that is.
Bro, that's a nice one. Onto the stringer?
Onto Scott's stringer.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Look at that,
With some
dude.
seaweed on that, you should take that seaweed home, man. Make some seaweed salad. Detroit River seaweed salad. There you guys go.
No, all yours, Scotty.
Onto the stringer, Scott. Ta-da! Oh, you used the
Red.
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 Red. Ta-da!
Twins there.
Yeah, Lamborghini. Yeah, Lamborghini. Michael Jackson is gonna net your fish here. Michael Jackson.
First fish of the day.
Hey, what does Michael do when he goes to the gas station? He Jackson.
Don't fall. That's like
Oh no! Yo!
Thank you.
Lum!
Good one, man.
All right. Pa!
Yeah.
All right.
Black worm.
There you go. Oh damn, bro!
Yeah.
See, look at that. Lum killed it there. Here, see? Decided to have a little bit of snack. Cheese, crackers, a little bit of salami. Calabrese. It's always a good trick. Gonna do a trick and make a little couple sandwiches here and eat.
Got some gear.
Gear?
Gear.
Got some gear. Guys,
First gear of the day.
gear of the day.
Let's lay the gear of the day.
It's lay of the gear of the day.
Can't catch fish.
And eat crackers. Almost like a Lunchable. Yep.
Digging in 2 jigs at once.
Alright, let's continue fishing. So Michael is watching Ivan land a walleye right now and eating a donut at the same time. He's not slaying so much, but he's watching a lot. Oh, we gotta stop for a second. Hello. All right, let's continue. Damn, Ivan. Yeah. Those hits don't lie.
They don't.
Oh, there you go. You got 2 fish at the same time. You got 2 fish at the same time, bro. That's a big fish, bro. There you go. Oh! 2 fish at the same time. Good catch. Video here with Pete. Esley. Toma, eh? Oh, it jumped.
It did a bass jump. Look
No, it came out.
how tanky this one is. Holy shit.
Hey, you're a tank killer today.
Tanker. Look at this.
You're a tank killer.
Tank killer.
There you go. Pete.
Hot Redo.
Another sleigh of the day.
Guys, this is not a donation, guys. It's lay. 3-4-ish.
Sleigh. All right, onto the stringer.
On to the stringer, baby.
Bye.
Get it! Get Michael Jackson!
Go, bro.
We got a muskie.
You got this, Michael!
Oh. I don't know.
We might need that bigger net.
No, I think it might have like chinned it or something.
Underneath.
Whew. Man. This is gonna be a good one.
He's not shaking. He doesn't want to come up.
Oh, it's gonna be like a 4.
Maybe a 5.
Or maybe a 5. You think so? I felt the pop. I felt the pop.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I was about to say I felt the pop. The king of pop has felt the pop.
Look how white it is.
Wow, that's a big one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Michael Jackson on another walleye there, guys. Oh, it just popped off.
Oh, nice fish.
Woo! All right, let's get a nice shot of this fish.
Getting smaller, boys.
Damn, that's petite.
Oh, there you go.
Oh wait, that's a big one. Oh my god, that's a big one. I felt the bite. Oh my god. Holy smokes. Michael Jackson is on a hee-hee-hee. Oh wow.
Michael Jackson beat it. Must be.
I don't know what it is.
That was a big walleye.
Big walleye.
The one he caught it was like that earlier.
Wow.
Right?
I don't know, man.
First fish of the day.
This is a.
It could be a small musker.
Big, no. It's gonna be a big smallie.
It could be.
Oh, smallie be going crazy.
Or big shitter.
Don't say that. Don't say
Throw it
that.
out there because it's bucking like one.
Wow. It is bucking like one.
No, I think it's
I felt the doom.
Look at the musker.
I think it's a big walleye still.
Yeah, big walleye.
Yeah, big walleye.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Big walleye.
Oh, it's snagged on the face, right? Oh. Yeah, it's a walleye.
Oh, it's still a big one though.
Michael Jackson. Oh, the jig came off.
Okay. Had to figure this out quickly.
Nice. There you guys go. Dressed up as Michael Jackson. I finally got a nice big one. That one's roughly about 4 or so. I was jigging that June bug, and that fish just took it really, really hard. Pete.
Right to the stringer.
Straight to the stringer. All right, brother. Well, Michael Jackson is watching his brother right now catch a fish. Oh, Z? Oh man, you're Tito.
I can't be Tito.
Why? I had to pick the sidekick.
Hey, your fish is grabbing my line. Tell it to come in.
No.
Tell them to come in out of the water.
Michael Jackson.
I'm gonna get my stringer ready before Sock comes out. I think Sock's coming down the hill.
Michael Jackson is watching his brother catch a fish here. Oh, it's a tank. That's a tank. That's a tank.
Word.
Holy smokes. There you guys go. That is a big one. There you guys go. Fall walleye.
Pimp Daddy. Yeah, Pimp Daddy.
Bro,
Oh, thanks.
that's a tank. The go plays on under. There we go. There we go.
He stinks.
Oh, that's a monster. There you go, Chief. That is so huge. That's gonna be
Oh,
7.
stinking Pete.
Fuck, you had the Green Bay hat on. I thought you were Pete. Green and yellow colors.
All right, Mikey Falzo.
Falzo, what happened at the end?
Hey man, I'm trying to give you a cool name here.
Thank you, brother.
All right, never mind. I'm sorry, Falzon. Well, he's laying fish right now. He said, "Thank you for the corner, Pete." Pete,
Not Frank. Not Frank.
guys, first donation of the day. Onto the stringer. Michael is having a blast right now. Oh, it's a nice
I'm
one.
donating for myself.
That's a nice one.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, all right, all right, all right. Wow. All right, we gotta check this fish out real quick. Mikey, you're gonna have to hold that up. Oh, it's a chunker. That's a chunker. There you guys go. Look at that. Deep in the night. That one's a hog.
Thanks for the spot donation, Pete.
All right, let's go.
All right, everyone, gonna end my day there. Had a fun time. You know, a little bit of an embarrassing moment because I don't really wear costumes that much, but it was a lot of fun. Everybody got to slay fish. Just wanted to show that we had a good Halloween. And I hope you guys had one too. Anyways, guys, if you like that, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace.